Here we got a 39 Ford truck, H-bomb area. Original engine, obviously, flathead. Better kind of voltage regulator, no stupid points. I mean, no electronics. Grassy fork fisheries. A lot of cars are out here today. It's sunny out finally in Florida. It used to be the rain state here all summer. Now it's gotten to be the sunshine state. Or speed, or whatever the hell it is on the floor. Running boards. Guess the tire goes there. It's got like that fake old paint, so it's actually, you know, won't rust, but it's got a did a good job on it though. The way they did it. You know what's cool about that kind of paint too? You don't have to go nuts with the body. Just freaking, you could drive this anywhere, man. Baby moons, the painted wheels. Big old tires. I don't know what the hell size these are. 16. 716. Yeah, the old type way. Original steering wheel. It says Dodge on it. Original gauge pod. Headlight buckets. It's got these fog lamps. Looks like they're old school, bolted up on the front there.